Hello, my gorgeous viewers. Welcome to Pink Zara, and my name is Pinky. In this episode today, I am going to give you a detailed review of a very generic product that has a bad reputation. And the product is called Color Changing Foundation. The brand I am using is Color Screen. You can use any brand if you already have made an investment in this product and you think it's white, cakey and patchy. I'm going to show you how to use it to your advantage because it just has a bad reputation. I'm going to give you a detailed view and section a few things. So first, let's just go through the general composition of this product. It is made primarily of titanium dioxide. It's a white looking product. It's titanium dioxide, mineral oil, a little bit water, and paraben. All of these which are used in pharmaceuticals are generally considered, titanium dioxide is used in SPF, all of it actually, and is generally considered to be very safe to use. Here's the mistake that a lot of us are making. So we're using this as a proper foundation, applying 2 to 3 pumps and just going on like that. Naturally, it's going to show a very white patchy finish. That's what you don't want. So this is why this product has a bad rep. Now, if you have very light to fair skin, how you can use this is you can use it on your own with to give you that no makeup look and a gentle gloss on your face, or mix it with your SPF. Now let me give you an example. Now if you have skin like mine, this is what I do. I'm going to show you on my left side, and this is my face right now with absolutely no makeup anywhere. It's just clear of any, it's a clear canvas. So what we are normally doing, I've seen a lot of people apply multiple pumps, and what happens is it leaves your skin looking very white. That's why it looks white. So I just use one pump. You can use it on its own with a little bit of SPF. You have to give it some time. You have to give it at least 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes to settle down fully. So if you see the difference, this is just on my skin on the left side, and this is without. Okay, so that's if you have light skin, and if you want to use it with a little bit of foundation to give you that extra finishing, that's fine. If you have a medium to caramel skin, use it as a primer. So if you, let's suppose medium to light skin, here's your canvas. Okay, apply. Just give it a minute, let it fully dry and sink into your skin. Here's your foundation, and then you'll apply it on your foundation. I'm just giving you a very light way of applying these makeup. So you use whatever technique you like. Okay. If you use this as a base, it's going to illuminate your the shade of your foundation a little more, but you need to let it dry. You need to let it sink. Do you already see the difference? This is with just the product, and this is with the foundation on top. So this was used as a primer instead of an actual foundation. If you have a deeper complexion, try this instead. So let me give you an example. So this is just just foundation. Let's suppose you are applying only your foundation. I feel it looks very cakey. That's why I never do just a foundation. Okay, so here, this is not my color match, so I don't really use it. I feel it makes my skin look a little more yellow. So this is just the foundation. So what you can do instead, just dispense your foundation. Do the 90-10 rule, 90% foundation and 10% of, just 10% of the color changing foundation, and then mix it very nicely and blend it all over. Blend, that's the key, and just give it 1 to 2 minutes to fully settle in. This hand is looking more natural. Actually, my left hand looks a little more cakey, and it looks like I have foundation on, even with the same amount of blending. I hope you can see the difference, because from here, from what I can see, my left hand looks very white and patchy, and my right hand does not. It looks more natural and more blended. So that's one way to use it. Another way, a few other ways that I use this is, and I made some notes for you guys, is you can mix the color changing foundation with a BB cream, a CC cream, or if you have very dry skin, just use a little bit with your moisturizer, and that will still give you a very good glow. And this product in general does tend to blur the lines and pores. It gives you a very clean finish that I will give it. So try this product in a different way, do patches, do some tests and see what suits you. So don't be off put by the white patchy look that it gives you. Overall, it's a very good invention, and I do particularly like this brand because I like the bottle. I prefer the bottle instead of the jars in which you have to put your hand in. It's just cross infection, that's all. So try it out, try it in different ways. Tell me what is it that you do differently so my other viewers can benefit from your experience. Thank you for watching.